So I just got a goodie box from Guyker. Let's go ahead and unbox this, take a look at some of their new products they have, and review them. Come on. So this box came all the way from China, from the factory. And let's go ahead and open this guy. Yes. Oh, very nice. So this is an under the string fret leveler that Guyker offers. They offer them in a variety of sizes. I chose the 18-inch. Let's take a look. So the benefit of having an under the string fret leveler is that we have the guitar under tension, under the actual string tension. So this is a really quality product. It has some very, very heavy weight to it, and it looks really well made. So another great tool to add to the tool collection from Guyker. Nice. So these are going to be some of the new products that Guyker offers on their website. And they have these new machine heads, and they offer a variety of different color combinations as well as tuning head combinations. And I chose these. These are kind of like the red and gold option. That's sort of like the classic Iron Man suit look. Oh, look at these guys. These are nice. So we have some gold screws. So very lovely gold mounting screws. The gold is sort of like a classic gold. And then that red, again, very Iron Man-esque colors here. And so then what I did was I chose the very classy white button heads. So you have this really cool mix and match color scheme with the gold, the red, and then the white button. And then of course you have gold screws for the accent. There's a quality to these, so everything is nice, firm, and stiff. And so now that Guyker sort of perfected the mechanism for the tuning heads, they started to offer these colorwares. So it is really just a gorgeous piece of hardware. So Guyker is referring to these as the dopamine collection. So you can get a variety of different color schemes and you can sort of mix and match them, and a variety of different button head styles. And it's really just a lovely piece of hardware. So the next thing I got from Guyker are these very intricately designed volume and tone knobs for a Strat. And so what they did was they were able to use watch parts, the mechanisms of a mechanical watch, and place them on the actual knobs. So check this out. These are really nice. Now they do offer a couple of color options, and I chose this one, which they refer to as brown, but it's more of like a blacked chrome. So these are quite lovely. You have all those brass bridges, and you can even see like the balance wheel in there that they took from a mechanical watch, as well as all those other wheels and cogs and the flathead screws that you see so often in mechanical watches. And it just, there's so many layers. It goes deeper and deeper and deeper as you look. And it just adds a really cool, elegant touch. So obviously this set is for a Strat. So you have your 3 knobs. So the really cool thing is if you look closely, there's even a trio of jewels there too. And I couldn't tell you if these are actual real jewels from a watch or if they're like faux, like plastic. Couldn't say, but they're still there, and it's a nice touch to actually see them there. So these knobs would be just a great addition to any type of custom build. I just had to get a pair of these. Super cool. I was super happy with this. I'm glad I was able to get Guyker to send me these things. But let's go ahead and try out the under the string fret leveler. So I do have some sandpaper. Let's go ahead and add it, and we'll test this out on the guitar. It's giving me a little bit of buzzing problems. Let's get to it. So I installed the dopamine tuners on this Jackson. And they look pretty sick. So these tuners are actually going to be reserved for my lap steel, but I did put them on this Jackson just so you get an idea of what they look like. They look really cool. And my plan is to put these awesome mechanical watch knobs on the lap steel as well. So I'm quite a bit away from finishing the lap steel. I need to actually paint it, but I think these parts are going to go on it. They're going to look really cool. So I don't know what use case I would use the under the string leveler in. I think maybe this would be the use case when you have sort of a old beat up acoustic that you need to quickly level the frets. So obviously you have to take the strings off to then crown and polish. So again, I don't know what the use case is for an under the string leveler, other than you need to kind of quickly repair some low spots or high spots on the frets. In any case, the actual under the string fret leveler works. It worked great. It leveled the frets. You do have to take the strings off to crown them though. So these are all the brand new products that Guyker's offering. Go to their website, take a look. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.